Welcome to this lesson on algebra basics. Today, we are going to demystify one of the most common symbols you will see in math, function notation. You have probably seen this symbol, f parenthesis, x parenthesis, and wondered what it actually means. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to read it and use it. The best way to think about a function is like a machine. Imagine a box that does a specific job. You put something into the top, the machine processes it according to a rule, and then something new comes out the bottom. In math, we call what goes in the input and what comes out the output. The function is just the machine itself. Now, let's look at the notation. When you see the letter f followed by x in parentheses, we pronounce this as f of x. It does not mean f times x, it is a shorthand way of saying the value of the function f at the input x. Think of it as the name of the answer you get when you plug x in. Let's break it down into two parts. The letter inside the parentheses, usually x, is your input. This is the number you are feeding into the machine. The whole symbol, f of x, represents the output. It is the result. So, if you are used to seeing equations with y, just remember that f of x is often used in the exact same place as y. Here is a typical function equation. F of x equals 2x plus 5. On the left side, the f of x just names the function and tells us the input variable is x. On the right side, 2x plus 5 is the rule. This rule tells us what the machine actually does. In this case, it takes the input, multiplies it by 2, and then adds 5. Let's try to evaluate or solve a function. Suppose our rule is f of x equals 3x minus 4. If we want to find f of 5, we simply take the number 5 and replace every x we see in the equation with a 5. So, it becomes 3 times 5 minus 4. You can also visualize this as a map. On the left, we have our domain, or the set of all inputs. On the right, we have the range, which are the outputs. The function connects specific inputs to specific outputs. For example, if we input the number 1, the function maps it to the number 3. Each input has exactly one output. Here is the most critical thing to remember. Please do not make this mistake. When you see f of x, the parentheses do not mean multiplication. In algebra, parentheses usually mean multiply, but in this specific notation, they are just holding the input value. It is strictly a label, not a math operation. Why do we use this? It helps in the real world. Imagine a burger costs $5. We can write a cost function, c of x equals 5x, where x is the number of burgers. If you want to know the cost of 4 burgers, you find c of 4, which equals 20. It makes the math much clearer to read and understand. To wrap up, remember these key points. F of x is just a formal way to represent the output, similar to why the value inside the parentheses is your input. Always pronounce it as f of x. And most importantly, never treat it as multiplication. With these basics, you are ready to tackle more advanced algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.